Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Today I'm going explain how the four-stroke engine works. This system is very common in car and motorcycle. The four-stroke engine has four main steps: intake, compression, power, and exhaust. This step happen again to make the engine run. I choose this topic because I study automotive engineering and I want to understand engine better. Right now I am learning many systems in the engine and this one is very important. In this video I will speak slowly and clearly so it is easy to follow. Let's start learning about the four-stroke engine system. The first stroke is called the intake stroke. In this step, the piston moves from top dead center to bottom dead center. The intake valve open while the exhaust valve stay closed. Fresh air and fuel enter the cylinder. Right now, the engine is burning just like we breathe air into our lungs. When the piston goes down, pressure in the cylinder becomes low. So the air-fuel mixture is sucked inside. I have already seen this process in class models and it looks very interesting. Without the intake stroke, the engine will not receive fuel and air, so it cannot work at all. This step prepares the engine for the next step. The second stroke is the compression stroke. After the cylinder is filled, the piston moves back up. Both valves are closed. Now the air-fuel mixture is compressed and the temperature rises. When first learned this is in class, the teacher was explain while showing a diagram and I was writing notes, and that time I was trying to imagine how fast it heads inside a real engine. The mixture becomes dense, so it is ready to burn with high efficiency. If the engine had not compressed the mixture, the explosion would be weak. Compression makes the engine powerful and efficient. The third stroke is the power stroke. When the piston reaches the top, the spark plug produces spark and burn compressed mixture. The burning a strong explosion push the piston down with force. During this stroke, both valves remain closed. This is the stroke that produces power to move the vehicle. I had watched a video before and I saw how strong the explosion inside the cylinder is. At that moment, I realized why engine need strong material and good cooling. Every time this happened, the engine used chemical energy and changed it into motion energy. The four-stroke is the exhaust stroke. After the power stroke, the piston goes up again. This time the exhaust valve open and the intake valve stay closed. The burn gas leaves the cylinder and gas out through the exhaust pipe. When I observed engine in the workshop, I heard the exhaust sound and understood that gas is released every cycle. If the engine had not removed the gas, the next cycle would fail. So this step cleaned the cylinder and prepared it for a new intake stroke. So this four-stroke repeat very fast while the engine is running. The piston are moving up and down again and again. Right now, engines are working in almost every vehicle we see. Engineers have designed this system for many years and it has improved a lot in the past. Engines were simple and not very efficient, but engineers had worked hard and created better engine. Now we have full injection system, better spark plug and advanced sensor. The system keeps developing and in the future engine will be cleaner and more efficient. I have studied this topic in class and I have practiced it in the workshop too. Sometimes I was confused, but step by step I started to understand. I have also read books and watched video to improve my knowledge. Right now, I'm still learning and I'm practicing my English at the same time. I believe learning about engines is very important for my future because I want to continue my study and work in the automotive field. I will keep practicing until I master this topic well. In conclusion, the 4-stroke engine works through intake, compression, power, and exhaust. Each step has a function, and all steps must work correctly. Without one step, the engine cannot run. I hope this explanation is clear and helpful in the future. I will study more engine system and I improve my skill. Thank you for watching my video. See you in the next learning session. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.